In this Digi eSIM review, I'll share my experience. Find product links below. I'll dive into Digi's eSIM, a solid choice for reliable data and voice, both locally and internationally. Digi, a well-established Malaysian provider, offers a convenient eSIM for locals, travelers, and expats seeking flexible mobile plans without a physical SIM. It's perfect for avoiding SIM swaps and juggling numbers. Activating the Digi eSIM was straightforward, especially with a compatible device. Everything's handled online or via the Digi Store app. Simply scan a QR code emailed after selecting your plan. My eSIM was running in minutes, bypassing a store visit. Digi's plans range from affordable local data to comprehensive international roaming, offering flexibility for all users. Performance-wise, Digi's eSIM delivered solid network speeds and stable calls. In urban areas, I had excellent 4G and consistent data speeds, perfect for streaming, browsing, and staying connected. International roaming was seamless with preset plans covering various countries. Pricing is competitive, especially compared to traditional international SIMs. The user-friendly My Digi app offers complete eSIM control, from data tracking and billing to adding data packages. It's intuitive and efficient. Digi prioritizes security, letting you easily pause or reactivate your eSIM, adding peace of mind. Whether you're in Malaysia or planning a visit, Digi's eSIM provides a hassle-free way to stay connected, balancing value and performance. Explore Digi's plans via the links below. Thanks for watching.